Hi guys, welcome to my channel Irene's Timeless Recipe. I'm Gemma. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken spring rolls. You have to put a little oil. Then you have to add some garlic. Two carrots, chopped carrots. Then you add one capsicum, green capsicum. Then you add half a cabbage finely chopped. Then you add half a teaspoon of chilli flakes, half a teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of mixed herbs. Mix all this well. Add 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. When you're adding the soya sauce, add little salt because the soya sauce already has salt. Now you have to add 200 grams boiled chicken. When boiling the chicken, add a little salt to it. You have to add a little more soya sauce. We have kept our spring roll filling for cooling for half an hour. Now we are going to start filling with the sheets. I put little maida in this bowl and put little water. I've made it into a thick paste which we are going to stick the spring rolls. These are spring roll sheets which we get ready in the market. Now you have to take the filling, little filling, and you have to put it like this. Turn it once more, turn left side, turn to the right, turn it this way. When it comes to the end, you have to put this and cover it. This is the next. Again you turn it twice, turn to the left, turn to the right, turning. This is to cover for the thing to stick well, otherwise it may open up. Now the spring rolls are ready. Now we are going to fry it. And here our spring rolls are ready.